In today's video, leaked shots of Tesla Cybertruck production and Tesla's partnership with Exxon to supply lithium. Grab some popcorn and let's get straight to it. Leaked shots of Tesla Cybertruck production. This video was filmed at Gigafactory, Texas. We can see that Tesla is working hard to keep its promise to start delivering Cybertrucks at the end of this quarter. Tesla recently shared some photos of Cybertruck production, but you know how it goes, they only show us what they want us to see. This leaked video gives us a look behind the scenes of the production line. It's not fully set up yet, but there's still time before the deadline, so there's nothing to worry about. What's interesting is that the Cybertruck on the line seems to be assembled by hand, but it's quite possible that Tesla employees are still customizing and testing workstations to make it even better. There are rumors that Tesla will hold an event next month to hand over the first few Cybertrucks. Maybe they'll give them away to their own employees first, before they officially release the final price and specifications of the car, which would probably make more sense. In general, things are going up for fans and pre-order holders of the Cybertruck. So, Tesla has been busy working on the Cybertruck since the beginning of the year. They even showed us some cool photos of the alpha prototypes. The leaked video gives us a glimpse into the production lines at the factory, and you can see part of the Cybertruck body going through a stage called Body in White, where the body is joined together. Samples of the Cybertruck assembly are appearing not only in California, but also in Texas. No wonder people are excited, as CEO Elon Musk has promised that in the third quarter, an event will take place related to the delivery of cars to customers. Tesla is even reaching out to suppliers and aims to reach an annual production volume of nearly 400,000 cars, so we will soon see Cybertrucks hitting the roads. Anyway, it has been a long road for Tesla, and after the first Cybertruck was built a few weeks ago, they are still trying to make the first deliveries by the end of the year. People are excited about this vehicle, and even those who work there can't help but be impressed by it. Cybertruck is not an ordinary pickup truck. This is a completely new beast with a massive design, using new materials and technologies that Tesla is still developing. Elon Musk himself mentioned in a recent conversation that it is filled with a lot of new and unique technologies, about 10,000 unique features and functions to be exact. But the production ramp, as expected, will move at the speed of the slowest element in the supply chain. An image of a Tesla Cybertruck in Palo Alto, California, has also gone viral. It seems that the car has new wheels. The ones seen in the video are called Aero wheels, and they look very interesting. Some electric vehicle fans online seem to be divided on whether they complement the bold and brutal design of the Cybertruck. The original Aero wheels had this futuristic vibe that many people liked. But what's interesting is that these Aero wheels can actually play a big role in increasing the range of the Cybertruck. So it's not surprising that Tesla might consider offering them as an option for the vehicle, whether you're going off-road adventuring or sticking to city streets. Tesla's partnership with Exxon to supply lithium. Did you know that ExxonMobil Corp is making some interesting moves? They are in big discussions with automakers like Tesla, Ford, and Volkswagen about potential lithium supply deals. They want to enter the battery component business. With the growth of electric vehicles, the demand for main battery components such as lithium has increased significantly, and this is where Exxon sees opportunities. They are also in talks with battery giants such as Samsung and SK On. Exxon also has big plans for lithium mining. They aim to produce a whopping 100,000 tons of lithium annually, and they are already exploring a field in Arkansas. Interestingly, they are considering whether to do it on their own or team up with other companies to accomplish this task. They are even in talks with Albemarle Corporation, a chemical company known for its role in the lithium market. It is clear that Exxon is serious about exploring this space, and they have expressed interest in using a cost-effective and environmentally friendly method of extracting lithium from underground salt water. During a recent phone call, Exxon CEO noted that this process fits well with their existing refinery and chemical plant operations. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Also, check out these videos.